let's talk a little bit about how to get your home ready for winter. Here in Atlanta, we're all preparing for a very cold night. This is the first time. I think they said it's going to be colder than any temperature all year, like in the 20s. So this is cold for us.
Yes,
I know you're used to New York. But.
Well, I've been here 24 years, so definitely. Like anything, proactive is better than reactive. With cold temperatures, when I came to Atlanta, they said, leave faucets dripping outside. Of course, that's wasting water, so your outside faucets won't freeze. So I would recommend turning the outside faucets off. It's either in the basement, and a lot of times in new construction, they put them in bathroom vanities where it says outside water shut off. If you can't find it, don't leave it dripping. Go to Home Depot and buy a cover, okay? And they cost $5, and it's an insulated cover, and it goes over the outside pipe. Obviously, insulating the attic, all the big things, I think you need to get an investigation and see if you need that. But one of the things people don't think about, Donna, is tree limbs.
That can be dangerous, too.
Yes, dead tree limbs. So after a windy day, if you see tree limbs on the ground, bigger limbs are going to come when we get freezing rain and ice because it gets heavy. So when you walk out, look up. Please look up in your yard, your driveway, and if you see dead things, please, don't try to get up there and cut them yourself.
Right.
Hire a professional. That's one thing. Obviously, changing the filters on your furnace will help. The other thing is cracks in the driveway. With in Atlanta, with freezing rain. The water gets in there and freezes, and it gets underneath the concrete, and it cracks your driveway more. Fill them in. Bedrooms, drafty bedrooms. People in the olden days had storm windows, okay? Mm-hmm. Put the storm windows in upstate New York. Well, we don't have them here, but if you do have drafty windows, Home Depot sells plastic that you could put over it, and it works. It works. You can't heat a house full of drafts.
Right.
You can't. But what I would recommend, proactive, is a full energy audit. Your power company has a lot of information. Georgia Power has stuff. But get an energy audit so you get it's like getting an MRI of your body. They take your whole body and give you what's majorly wrong and then the minors. And, of course, prioritize what's cost effective. Windows, do not spend $25,000 on replacing your windows. Yes, they're important. There's more cost-effective ways. Send us an email. We'll give you advice on that. You can do it yourself and save thousands of dollars on windows, Donna. And your return on investment is much quicker than a high-pressured sales. Sign now. Husband and wife have to be home, or the two people that are making decisions. Sign now. We give you 50% off. Don't do that. Don't be pressured.
Yeah, and I think like, oh my gosh, that seems like just such the wrong tactic.
It is, but it's common.
And
it's
you see
common
these
more
things
than you know.
$99 a month. Well, how long is that?
Yeah,
and
25 years
forever?
probably. Hey, if you like what you saw, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.